Hello friends, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So today onwards we are going to start our chapter number 2, which is remaining in our last video. And let me start chapter number 2, the angle garden. In this, here angle is given, the bee, honey bee is collecting nectar from the flower and store in the beehive. So here the angle between the beehive and sun, it is given that. So before going further, let me revise angles, type of the angles. So first of all, the angle is a acute angle. Acute angle means the angle which are smaller than 90, means 0 1 degree to 89 degree. These all are acute angle. 10 degree Celsius, 10 degree, 15 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree. These all are acute angle. Then 90 degree, it's a right angle. Then 90 to 180, between 90 to 180, 90 to 180 is between, it is an obtuse angle. And 180 to 360, 180 is a straight angle, 180 to 360 is a reflex angle. So here angle between honeybee and the sun, it is an acute angle. Now downside activity is given, collect the leaves from the garden, color each the leaf and print it in your notebook. Look at the angles between two leaves. Here the angle is this, so it is an which angle? If we draw the line over here, so it's a acute angle between the two leaves. So this way we have to do the different activities. Now downside the picture is given. In this picture the woodkeeper is there. I am a woodkeeper, my beak is sharp because it has cut the wood. Then hey, look at that bird, its beak has an angle less than a right angle. Here this bird having a angle between the beak is less than the right angle. Now here so many birds are there, so let me find out the angles between them. Here the beak of this bird having the angle is less than 90 degrees, so it is a acute angle. So many birds are there, so look for the birds which have beak with small angles. In the picture, mark the angles between the two branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? It is just for our knowledge. Let me see the next angles in the names. The name Sukhman is written over here, so let me see the angles between the name. Here between S, here this, it is a right angle, this one is right and right. In this S, all the angles are right angle. U, these both angle are right angle. In this K, the angle between these two lines is acute. All the three angles, this and this, all are acute. Here all the angles are right angles. This one is acute, this is obtuse because it's a more than 90 degree. Obtuse, and this one is acute. This both downside both are obtuse. In the end, this one is acute and this one is also acute angle. Here there are two slides in the park. Which slide has the larger angle? So here this slide having this angle, so it's acute, and this having acute angle, but this slide having the bigger angle. See, this is the smaller angle, this one is bigger angle between this ladder and slide. So which slide has the larger angle? The slide 2. And which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? For a small boy, which slide is safe? Slide 1 or slide 2? So we can say that slide 1 is safe for the child. Downside, changing shapes. One activity is given. In this you need the different objects. The matchstick, piece of rubber tube. Clean the black of the matchstick. So first of all, the matchstick having the black carbon is there, so remove this carbon. After this, cut the small pieces of the tube about 1 centimeter long. 1 centimeter long, you cut out the piece of the rubber. Now push 2 matchsticks into each of the end of the pipe. So with the help of this rubber pipe, you connect the 2 matchsticks. and add more matchstick to form the triangle. So use 3 matchstick and make a shape of a triangle. Now use 4 matchstick and make the different shape. Now from these shapes we have to find out the angles between these all shapes. So let me see. It says that you made the different shapes. Now different shape. Now in the all shape you just push each shape downwards with tip of your finger. With help of the tip you just press the shape. And does the angle change when the push down the finger? If you push from the upward direction, so the shape is changed or not, that we have to give the answer yes or no. If you push this hexagonal from upside, it will change yes, because here joints angles are there, so this angle becomes smaller, so it's changed yes. This shape is changed or not, so it is also changed the shape. This one, if we push from upward, it is changed shape, no. And in the triangle also, if we from the upside we push the shape, it is changed, then answer is no. Shapes and tower. In the previous page we show that if rectangle or square is there or triangle is there, in these 3 shape, if we push from upward, the shape is not changed. Now in our daily life, in our around, we see the different towers, bridges. So in this tower and bridge, most of rectangle shape is used. See here, rectangle shaped are used. Here also rectangle shape. Triangle shaped are used. Triangle shape, triangle, rectangle, all shapes are used over that. Why they are using this shape? Because if the force is coming from the upward direction or any direction, the shape is not changed. So the triangle, rectangle and square shape is used in big infrastructures. From the activity changing shapes, can you guess why triangle are used in these towers, bridges, etc.? Look around and find out more places where the triangle are used. So here we stopped our lecture. In next lecture we will see forward. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.